Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your VW Golf petrol cap. First, make sure your car is unlocked. The fuel flap is typically on the passenger side rear. To open it, simply press firmly on the rear edge of the flap. You'll hear a small click as the latch releases, allowing the flap to spring open slightly. This simple action is the first step to accessing your fuel tank. With the fuel flap now open, you'll see the main fuel cap. This cap keeps your fuel secure and prevents spills. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen and eventually hear a series of clicks. These clicks mean the cap is fully unscrewed and ready to be taken off. It's designed to be easy to handle. Now that the cap is off, you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Volkswagen Golf. Once you've finished, it's important to replace the fuel cap correctly. Simply place the cap back onto the opening and turn it clockwise. Keep turning until you hear several clicks. These clicks confirm the cap is securely tightened, preventing any fuel vapor from escaping. Finally, to complete the process, gently push the fuel flap closed. You'll feel and hear a soft click as it latches into place. Give it a quick check to make sure it's flush with the car's body. This ensures everything is sealed properly and keeps your fuel area clean and protected from the elements. You're all set to drive away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.